Welcome back, everyone. This is the last of the semi-finals. Now, NZ, you have Cade driving for you in this last semi. We have some replays of Cade right here. Now, NZ, do you have any advice to offer to Cade going into this last semi, mate?
Well, even though Cade is the most professional driver we've ever had here at NZ Racing, we've just reminded him that he does actually need to finish every race. You don't get any points for a DNF, and we have seen some vans miss out due to not finishing. He also needs to show a little respect to the other drivers here tonight. They're all a lot bigger than him, and he only has a 1000cc front-wheel drive minivan. So this is going to be a bit of a challenge.
Well, NZ, I wish you the best of luck tonight, and Cade, drive hard, drive fast, and be a first across the line to give yourself that final spot. All right, let's have a look at our last drivers and teams for semi-final 10 Vantastic 2021.
So first up is our good mate, Deputy Dog for Po Boy Racing. Looking fantastic in that Law and Order van, of course, especially with those Blackfire tyres. The next van and driver need no introduction. The man with the mohawk, he pities the fool, and he doesn't listen to no jibber jabber. 100 Proof Racing, good luck tonight with the 18 van.
Up next, driving for the Nick Divas racing team is Nick Divas himself. This van is weighing 84 grams and it's a Star Wars van. Good luck. And here he is, the man of the moment, Cade, driving for NZ Racing in that 67 Austin minivan. And right alongside is Big Pear Racing in Escapes, weighing 92 grams. Good luck, everyone, on the track tonight.
So, Po Boy, 100 Proof, Nick Divas and Big Pear. Just go easy on the Mini tonight and may the best van win. Good luck, gentlemen.
say it again, there can only be 2 going through out of the 5. It's been a tough tournament. The semi-finals have been brutal and some of the top teams have had to go home, unfortunately. NZ Racing, what do you think about Cade? He drove hard, he drove fast. We're just waiting on the final numbers to come through.
Yes, well done to Cade for finishing every race, but that could have gone any way tonight for any of the other drivers, of course. However, that's the tactic we talked about, and it's paid off.
Finding a berth in the finals is the Builder 100 Proof Racing with the driver Mr. T driving the A-Team van. Congrats.
And this absolute legend of a driver right here, Cade, driving that minivan down the track, it was just pure joy to watch. You've made NZ Racing proud, and you've made Uncle Mike very proud. Well done.
Okay, NZ, what are your thoughts on tonight's race? Give us some words of wisdom, mate.
Tonight's semi was absolutely full of talent, and it's an actual real honour for NZ Racing to go through. A little bit surprised that Po'boy Racing, Nick Divas Racing, and Big Pear Racing aren't actually going through. However, guys, it was great racing with you tonight, and I hope to see you on the track again soon.
That was a very tough semi to get through, semi 10. And yes, some of the big teams are leaving the comp tonight. Very sad, but as I always say, that is Diecast Racing right here on Shorty, Sydney, Australia, Vantastic 2021. Now, we're going to take a week off. We're going to look at the stats. We're going to get everything together for the final. So just hang loose. We'll be back in a week or just a little bit more. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you later.